Good morning, everybody. Well, today back to welding up. I've got a Cradle for a 110-gallon spray tank that has come in. Ordered it back in July, so it came in within this last week, so which is a couple months later. So anyway, and I've taken the other old Cradle that was on there. It was all rusted, and so I finally cut it off yesterday. And today I've got to put the new Cradle on. Well, I'm going to have to do what I didn't want to do, but I cleaned up because of the I'll show you here, the bolt holes in here. I would be hitting right beside, on both sides, hitting the angle iron underneath. This side isn't as bad, but it's close. You can see that hole right down in there, and I'm hitting right at the edge of that support piece coming across. But anyway, this is the Cradle. It's 12 gauge, so what I'm going to do is tack it, and then I'm going to weld across the bottom and along each front and the back side. And that should hold this in here, and we'll get to work on it. Be nice to get a ground. No ground. Line up. All right, there she is. Got her on the Cradle. Got the Cradle welded to the frame. and got my bands on, even though the J hooks that they sent weren't long enough to reach on the backside, so I had to go get some bolts. So I just got some bolts and ran through there and got them pulled up, and we'll just tighten that all. Got it all tightened up. The bands don't fit right, they fit in the grooves and part of it, but it'll hold it. It didn't go nowhere. So all I have left to do now is put my pump system back together, and we will get that taken care of here. But I want to thank everybody for watching, and beautiful day. Let's get out and do something.